You've probably seen hundreds of top 10 apps videos. But today, I'm not talking about the popular ones everyone already knows. I'm showing you 3 underrated apps that can genuinely make your life easier and maybe even change the way you work, think, and live. Let's start with number 1, Notion Calendar. Most people know Notion as a note-taking app, but the new Notion Calendar is next-level productivity. It connects seamlessly with your tasks, notes, and Google Calendar, all in one clean, distraction-free space. You can drag and drop tasks, color-code your projects, and even integrate AI to help plan your week automatically. It's like having a digital assistant that knows your schedule better than you do. If you struggle to stay organized, this app will literally save your brain. Next up, number 2, Speechify. This one's perfect if you want to read faster or learn on the go. Speechify turns any article, PDF, or document into natural-sounding audio that reads out loud, just like a podcast. You can choose from different voices, speeds, and accents. Imagine turning your morning commute into a productivity session by listening to the news, study notes, or ebooks hands-free. It's available on both Android and iOS. And yes, there's a free version. If you love learning but hate reading walls of text, Speechify will change everything. And finally, number 3, Sleep Cycle. This app doesn't just wake you up, it studies your sleep patterns using your phone's microphone and accelerometer. It tracks your sleep quality, heart rate, and even detects snoring. Then it wakes you up gently during your lightest sleep phase, so you feel fresh instead of groggy. No more rude alarms or morning headaches. Over time, you'll understand how your habits affect your sleep, and that awareness alone can improve your health dramatically. So there you have it, 3 underrated apps that most people overlook, but once you try them, you'll never go back. Notion Calendar for productivity, Speechify for learning, and Sleep Cycle for better rest. Together, they help you organize your day, feed your brain, and recharge your body. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.